In this project, I'm going to demonstrate how you can make a ping pong game with the help of the Idiotware shield. You will need the following things to get started: an Arduino Uno, the Idiotware shield, I2C OLED display, 2 joysticks, 3 jumpers, a USB cable to connect Arduino to computer. In the ping pong application, largely there is a lot of math that happens on the mapping of the position of the ball. We are initializing the U8glib SSD1306 object with a I2C option. This U8G object here is actually the object that we use to manipulate the graphics on the OLED display. The library is bought in from the U8glib library as shown here. The paddles are connected on the A3 and the A2 pin of the Arduino. A winning score is determined that as 5. The tone pin is on A1. The speed of the animation is 25. A low value means actually that the ball is going to bounce faster. If you look at all these variables, they are used to determine the width, the height, the direction in the X and the Y axes, the paddle 0 and the paddle 1 positions. All these are used to place the specific object on the screen. There are score variables that keep score for the left and the right player. There is a game over variable that is set to true when the game is over, and the start score is set to a string of length 1. This is where a lot of the magic happens. So this is an array of char type which is kept in the flash memory. When you define progmem, it means that it's going to be kept in the flash memory of the Arduino. Notice that it has got a lot of these numbers. The winner, when somebody wins, this number will be actually mapped to the screen as ones and zeros, and it'll show a text related to the winning condition. If you notice now that there are actually functions for drawing scores, a missed paddle, how do you want to put when the game is over, how to draw a court, the player 0 has missed, the player 1 has missed, bouncing from in the X direction, moving the ball, drawing the paddle, drawing both the paddles. So all these functions have been created in this code so that they can be used over and over again whenever you want to, let's say, draw a paddle or move the ball. In the setup function, we are setting the court width to be the size of the display and the height to be the height of the display. The half court width is the width divided by 2. This is where the line or the net is created on the display. In the loop, what we do is, if the game is over, then you draw the game over graphic, or else you move the ball. In the move ball function, let me scroll up. In the move ball function, you can see that if the X value of the ball is equal to or less than 0, then the paddle has been missed, or you bounce on the X side. If it is greater than the court width minus the size of the ball, then again you bounce on the X side. It also factors in when it has to move in the ball direction of Y or in the X. This function basically moves the ball based on where it was earlier and which direction it is going. It draws the court, it keeps the scores. Once it has done all this, it figures out if the game is over. and shows the graphic. In between, if the players miss the ball, it updates the score of the opposite player. You can actually read more into the code to understand what it really is doing.